Hello Numberblocks fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Super Creative Numberblocks Zone. In this video, I will show you how to rebuilding Numberblocks 0 to 100 Part 3. Well, in this video, I will show you how to build the Numberblocks from 21 to 30. Alright, let's begin with Numberblock 21. Numberblock 21 is made of 20 peach block and 1 red block. Well, Numberblock 21 is the number explorer. Well, Numberblock 21 find things, help friends to find himself out. Well, Numberblock 21, before she figure herself out, Numberblock 21 has 3 sevens or 7 threes, and she's also made of 10 plus 10 plus 1. Numberblock 21 is also the number explorer, and also she's the 6th member of the step shape. Well, you can recognize her by her 2 eyes with the purple, dark blue faceplate, a dark blue step shape mask, and for the another faceplate is for the mouth. But also including we call the explorer hat, which means attached to her head. And don't forget her numbering. The numbering pop on the explorer hat. And here I finish Numberblock 21. For the next character is Numberblock 22. Numberblock 22 is made of 2 11s when he figured himself out. Numberblock 22 is a football player, which means he can split into 2 11s. Well, Numberblock 22 split in the 1 red 11 and 1 blue 11. 1 blue 11s. Well, Numberblock 22 is made of Numberblock 22 is not a super rectangle, but he's a super football player. That's why we can recognize him by the left one has big blue eye and the right one has small red eye. And here on our finish Numberblock 22, because we need the faceplate, 4 faceplate with 4 stickers, including this one. And don't forget his number link. Wait, but also Numberblock 22 has a football from Numberblock 11 to 20. This is my own football, not accessories. And here are finished Numberblock 22. For the next character is Numberblock 23. Numberblock 23 is made of 20 plus 3. Numberblock 23 is a prime number because he cannot make any rectangles, but he never mind at all. Now I am 23. I'm happy being me because he never minds if he cannot make any rectangles. He never jealous at the Numberblock 24. Anyways, we need 2 faceplate. One for the yellow one and 1 for, where's the peach one? And the peach one. And don't forget his number link. And here are finished Numberblock 23. For the next out character is Numberblock 24. Numberblock 24 is made of 20 peach blocks and 4 green blocks. Well, Numberblock 24 is a super duper rectangle. She makes rectangle all day and all night too, because Numberblock 24 is the hour of a day. because one day has 24 hours. 12 hours at midday and 12 hours at the midnight. Number block 24 is a super duper rectangle because she makes rectangle 8 or 8 rectangles. If someone who makes 8 or more rectangles, he will be a super duper rectangle. Number block 24 is made of 1 by 24, 2 by 12, 3 by 8, 4 by 6, 6 by 4, 8 by 3, 12 by 2, and 24 by 1. She's so tall. And don't forget her number link. And here are finished number block 24. For the next character is number block 25. Number block 25 is made of 20 peach blocks and 5 blue blocks. Well, number block 25 is a square, so that's why we can recognize her by two blue pointed eyebrows. Number block 25 can make many shapes, squares, and patterns. She's the 5th member of the Square Club, with including 16, 9, 4, and 1. She's made of 5 lots of 5. That's right. And we need 5 light blue blocks more to make 25. Oh, wrong. And we need 2 faceplates. The first faceplate for her eyes, and the second faceplate, which is the last, for her mouth. And don't forget her number link. Here are finished number block 25. For the next up character is number block 26. Number block 26 is made of 20 peach blocks and 6 indigo blocks. Number block 26 is made of 2 13s. Number block 26 is the agent of the number blocks because number block 15 helped to be the agent. Number block 26 split into 2 13s. If someone called 13, 2 3 falls off. Well, number block 26, we can recognize him by two round eyes with a hat, with the sunglasses too, and also with a tie. Alright, we attached the faceplate, 6 faceplates. And here is the accessory, is his black hat. And don't forget his numbering. Here are finished number block 26. For the next up character is number block 27. Number block 27 is made of 20 peach blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Number block 27 is made of 3 square 9s, also 3 3 3s. If she changed her positions, she's a cube, which means she's a third cube member of the number, including the number 8, number 1, and 64. Number block 27 is a super cube, which means she can beat up to naughty. number block 27 is made of 3 by 3 by 3. And also 3 square 9s. But I made her as 3 by 9 rectangle formation. And don't forget her 2 faceplate. One orange faceplate for her eyes and another red faceplate for her mouth. Oh, yes, it's stuck. And don't forget her number link. Here are finished number block 27. For the next number block character is number block 28. Number block 28 is made of 20 peach blocks and 8 pink blocks. Number block 28 is also a super rectangle too, because number block 28 is made of 7 by 4 or 4 by 7, including 2 by 14, 14 by 2, also 1 by 28, and 28 by 1. But not all number block 28 also can be a crazy shapes. The number block 28 is the pattern pioneer, which means she can make any shapes that she wants to put on the wall. Number block 28 can be jogging cross, square with a hole, or tower windows, or more. But not all. And we need 8 pink blocks to make 28, because 28 is made of 20 plus 8. I made the number block 28 like a tower windows, like this. And here is the faceplate put on the first floor, and here are finished number block 28. For the next character is number block 29. Number block 29 is made of 20 peach blocks and 9 3 shades of gray blocks. Number block 29 is a prime number. Also, number block 29 loves clubs. Number block 29 invented by himself is 9 enders. And here are not finished. We need a faceplate. Here his face, but not all. Here are his own club. His clubs is in Roaring 20s prime club because he cannot make any rectangles. Made of 1 club because 29 is made of 29 ones. Odd club because when he laid 2 blocks wide, there's 1 on top. And also 9 enders because he invented by him. And also number block 29 has 9 at the end. You see on the number link? Yes. And also including his number link. And here are finished number block 29. So here is the last character, but not least, is number block 30. Number block 30 is made of 30 light yellow blocks, right? Because 30 is made of 3 10s or 10 3s. Number block 30 loves to entertain everyone. Number block 30 is also a super duper rectangle. Do you know why do I say that? Because 30 is made of 1 by 30, 2 by 15, 3 by 10, 5 by 6, or including 6 by 5, 10 by 3, 15 by 2, and 30 by 1. And number block 30 also has her own circuit by her crown. We need 2 faceplates, 1 for her eyes and 1 for her mouth. And here's the accessory again, her crown. The face is look like number block 3. And don't forget her number link. Here are finished number block 30. Let's review all together. So here are all characters that I have built in this video, including 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon below for the more videos. So anyways, goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.